This is a technique. This is a secret, guys. I don't just curl my lashes like one curl. So let's do it. Hi! It's me again, Raisa. I'm a professional makeup artist here in Cebu, Philippines. For today, this is a beauty secret, beauty hack. Now, not a secret anymore. This is how I curl my lashes, how to make it stay all day long. Let's do it. So, you need a lash curler and a blower. I will tell you later why a blower. But anyway, guys, before that, you need to find the perfect lash curler for your eyes, for your eye shape and eye size. For me, the best lash curler for Asian eyes, Trinita Asian eyes, is the Shoyumura or the Shiseido. I just think they're the best because it fits well sa akong eyes, like the shape and the size, and it curls very well. This is a little bit expensive. One local product that's also good is from Nichido if you're from the Philippines, and also from Face Shop. These lash curlers are worth it, guys. They're so good and they last you a very, very long time. Let's do it. So for today, I'm gonna use my Shoyumura. And what you do is very simple, guys. This is what I do on myself and on my clients. So now you know, and you need to try this. Okay, so lash curler. I know there's also one way of doing it. You can like use a lighter to heat up the lash curler, but I prefer to do this. So yes, okay. So you need a blower. Let's turn it on. And then heat it like that. And then first, make sure na it's not too hot. So touch it, guys. Just enough that you can take it, the heat. Okay, so what you do, you curl your lashes. You start. This is a technique. This is a secret, guys. I don't just curl my lashes like one curl. So first is you start at the tip of your lashes, the very, very tip of your lashes, and then the mid part of your lashes, and then the innermost. So this is how I do it. See, look at that versus this. So I do it this way, so I'll get a C curl instead of that L curl. It looks very unnatural. It doesn't look natural, so this looks more natural, the C curl. Look at that, diba? Super curl na. And this curl will last you the whole day. Let's do the other side. Okay, so just enough heat. You curl again the very tip of your lashes, of your lash hairs, the middle part, and then the innermost part. So like that. And push it like that. See, look at that. Look at the curl. Look at the curl, right? Diba? So nice. And it's so easy. And next up, you just apply your favorite mascara. So mine is the Heroine Make. This is a Japanese mascara. This is the best waterproof mascara ever. And I'm not kidding, guys. This is the best. My curl stays all day long and it doesn't smudge even if you like go swimming or whatever water sport. Basta, this is the best, guys. Okay. And it makes my lashes also longer and thicker. So I always get the excess like that before I apply the mascara, just to make sure that it doesn't clump up my lashes. And then you start from the roots going up. So start here, wiggle, going up. So roots of your lashes to the tip, just like that. And look at that, right? Amazing. So now you know why I love this mascara so much. Let's go the other side. Roots to the tip. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I love this mascara so much. And then I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner and then come back. ayan, I just finished applying my eyeliner. And guys, look at this eyeliner. Thin natural eyeliner. That's good for my almond-shaped eyes. And I actually did a tutorial on this. If you want to check it out, then try it. I will link it here. Try it, guys. Let me know what you think. And maybe tag me on Instagram at Raisa Bercede so I can see your photos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Any requests? Let me know, guys. Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!